So, Module 2 is really just thinking about the types of ethics we need to apply to be appropriate in our primary interactions. So, that's when we're talking to others or asking opinions in a survey. Lots of different things. So, with Module 2, what I want you to do is to have a read through the different things that we want you to focus on. So pretty much it's about making sure you don't hurt anyone else and you don't hurt yourself as part of your project. Now, for our purposes, we don't need to pick any of these ethics just yet, but when we start our research project, the steps we would take would be to reflect on them, to consider our protocols, and then to select the ones that would be required for your research. In particular, looking at how do we maintain an ethical research approach. So then we're going to keep going on after we've read them, and I want you to write an answer to explain why we would have these ethical guidelines. Why are they necessary to protect both the research participant and the researcher? And I guess what I want you to think about is what could happen if we were unethical? So if we didn't protect someone's identity, what could happen? If we asked offensive questions, what could happen? Sorry, my dogs are barking in the background. If you were to ask, Joey, shut up, young people a question about something and they didn't have parental consent, what could the consequences be there? That's our response here, and I'm expecting that the answer to this response is probably a couple of sentences. For those of you who are more deep thinkers, you might get up to 100 words here, but it doesn't have to be a lot. What you do need to make sure you talk about, though, is why do we need to protect not just the participant, but also yourself? For Module 3,